Indian government will soon begin to assemble large swaths of anonymized data sets collected and harmonized under our National Data Governance Framework policy with the vast community of Indian startups and researchers and the country's AI ecosystem. In fact, we expect this large database will be increasingly used by companies to train their AI models. Our aim is to catalyze innovation and create more effective policy and pragmatic solutions. And amongst the use cases for these data sets will be government and governance solutions. Applying innovative technologies to data sets will have far-reaching impacts on ground development interventions at all levels, including the furthest village or town, ushering in a new era of digital government and accelerating in turn the innovation and digital economy. This new policy will have certain beneficial spillover effects. For instance, it will standardize the management, access, control, and security of our digital systems and data on an unprecedented scale.